Okay, so this is my vanity, and this is pretty much what my husband and I have put together. So my husband has bought me this entire vanity in different parts and pieces, but again, it's something that I am in love with. So I'll just show you each individual pieces and we can go through there. So let's see. First, we have this little saying from Edgar Allan Poe. It's deep into that darkness peering. Long I stood there, wondering, fearing, doubting, dreaming dreams no mortal ever dared to dream before. And that is a present that my husband gave me. And then I've got this little turnaround here. And this has all kinds of different foundations and serums and things that I have used over the years. And then this is just some of my lipsticks that I have on display. Several of them that I love. Some of them I don't really use anymore. It's definitely something I should be going through. And then this is the first drawer, and this is going to be like, I've got like glitters and different kinds of, over here we've got like some copacetic little iridescent shimmers, and then I've got my Mayron makeup over here, and these are also some stuff like that over here. So basically it's all like for Halloween looks and stuff that I do. And then this drawer is some of my Humble Heaven stuff, and then of course more just things to do in the makeup, right? So those are all Humble Heaven, and then glitters and gems for my face, and more glitters, all that kind of good stuff. This is pretty much a drawer that is pretty close to empty. These are Marmalade Nails. These are one of my favorite brands of nails. I've been wearing them recently quite a bit, and I've got a set on now. And they are super easy to apply, and they're actually reusable. So that is super important. I've had a few people give me a lot of compliments on the nails that I wore probably like the end of January, and these are the Marmalade Nails. So yeah, if that's something that is interesting to you, let me know and I will give you some information on it. And the next drawer is just basically like lip liners and some tools. This is some liner brushes that I got from Amazon, and then just a bunch of lip liners. And then this drawer is just overflow of brushes and a few tools, just to do, you know, a couple of cool things. Like, for instance, this is actually a lash curler. It's really cool. You put a battery in it and it heats up. I've actually done a video on this before. So yeah, there's that drawer. And then the next drawer down, we have lipstick. It's not very organized, but this is most of the lipstick that I use daily. Lipstick and lip glosses. And then we've got the lash drawer. We've got Breezy's lashes there. Lujo, which is another company that I use. I've got some Shein or Chic Glam lashes there. And then you can see we've got some Chocolate Donut, Glam Light lashes. You see there's some Makeup Maniacs. Alright, so this is the drawer of, let's see, my perfume from Scent Beauty. Some pretties for your face. We got some dirty sponges there that I like to use when I'm doing different kinds of looks. And then we've got some Tinkerbell ColourPop. And this is my drawer of shame. This is all of the stuff that I have gotten from boxycharms and ipsys that I have not opened. Alright, and then this drawer is palettes that I've received recently or palettes that I still need to do videos on, and we've got some single shadow palettes in here. We've got, like, let's see, there's Nomad Cosmetics, the Dawn of Fall palette from ipsy Cosmetics. My Blend Bunny palettes are here. So, yeah. And this drawer here is some more single shadows. These are going to be mainly single shadows, and then we have my Breezy's Lashes palettes, the Remember Me and the Coco Urban Antes de Recuérdame. Alright, and then here I have just a place I put a lot of things in here. Like, for instance, this is to clean my brushes. This is basically just stickers, and this is a camera piece. And then underneath, I have lots and lots of pigments. I like to make glitter and pigments. I like to make my own. If you ever want to see those, let me know. And then this is it's an organizer that I got from Michael's. And I used to have several brush holders, and I had all of them up on the desk, and they took up so much room. I was able to put everything pretty much on this little holder, which that's pretty cool. I'm thinking that that's amazing. Yes, I need to clean my brushes. This light here is my Christmas present from my husband. All of these are some face brushes, and then these are my highlighters, and there's some blushes, more blushes. This is the OPV blush palette. These are the ones that I use pretty regularly. Alright, and then this this drawer is a mess. And this is basically face products. I've got concealers, and I have just all kinds of stuff in here. Primers, concealers, eye primers, you name it, it's in here. And then this drawer is basically all eye type, there's lash glue in here, there is mascara, there is glue, there is several different kinds of liners, glitter liner, there are all of those little pot liners. Yeah. And then this drawer is the most of the highlighter slash contour slash blushes that I'm using right now. And this drawer is kind of just like an overflow. I've got my brush cleaners there. And then same with this. This is just extra stuff. I have some Breezy's boxes there, and that's about it. And then I have a chair. I do a lot of photos with this chair in the background. My kit. And then back here is just some more storage. I've got some face masks. Here I have like pens and markers, just all kinds of stuff. This is all stuff that either needs to be opened or has been opened but needs to get put away. Okay, so over here we have mainly blushes and highlighters. And then down there we've got some lip glosses and then some products to make eyeshadows with. And then up here I just have some giveaway products and just some extra stuff. Extra things like, you know, just things to like refill. Or like if I run out of something. And then these are my wigs. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I want to say I've got like 13 or 14 wigs. And then these are my eyeshadow palettes. These are Copaceticcosmetics here. And then some random ones. And those are my ColourPop palettes. Please let me know if you are interested in seeing another collection video. That is definitely something that I can do. It will take a long time because I have many palettes. But if that is something that you are interested in seeing, please let me know and I will do that. So I'll kind of show you my wall of palettes. I can't even show them all to you. Okay. This is the wall of palettes. Well, I'll just do this. The wall of palettes. So up here I have my beautiful Beauty and the Beast and a note from my son Zach. I've got the spider from the Renaissance Festival and Grogu. My Beauty and the Beast flower. My raven from Edgar Allan Poe. And my macabre little things. I've got my 2 dragons. The earring tree that I got from, oh, I don't even remember where I got it. Yeah, I got that from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. And then I've got another rose. My husband bought me 2 of them. Some perfumes that if I need to just grab them, I can. So there is that. And then this is my old storage. So I've got hair bows and some hair things in there. And here I have nails. Mainly nails, and then I've got like some like liquid latex and some blood. And here I mainly have bags from Ipsy and some old palettes that I use for Halloween. And then in here is the same thing. I'm really weird and I keep these I don't know why I do it, but I keep those probably in case I ever like have to, you know, send anything off or whatnot. So that is pretty much my whole makeup room.